Hello class, once again I am here to teach you computers. So let's start with our computer lesson number 3, that is page number 35. Today's topic is find and replace features. After typing a document, you may want to search for a specific word or a phrase. Find feature of MS Word can be used to search for all the occurrence of the given word or a phrase. Now this is a feature where you can find words and phrases. Now there are few steps how to follow it. To find a word, we follow these steps. First, on the home tab of the ribbon, we go to editing group and select find or use the shortcut key, that is Ctrl plus F. In the dialog box that appears, we type the word we want to find and then click on the find next button. The first occurrence of the text is highlighted. To find more occurrence to the text, we click find next. When the word has shown every occurrence of the text, a dialog box appears with the message word has been finished searching the document. Click on OK. Now what is the thing given here? You will go to the home tab button, then to ribbon, and then to the editing group, and then you will find the word. There you can type it, or then you can use the Ctrl F button also, and then you can click on the find next button to find the word or a phrase from the document, and then if the finishing is done, you have to click OK. To replace a word or a phrase with another one, we use replace option. The steps are: on the home button home tab of the ribbon, to the editing group and select replace. Now the shortcut here, it is Ctrl H. For finding it was Ctrl plus F. Here for replace it is Ctrl plus H. In the find what text box, we type the word we want to find. In find what we have done, we have written that particular word. In replace with text box, we type the word that we want to replace the original word with. What we will do? We will write that particular word we want to replace with the original word. To find the first occurrence of the text, we click find next. The first occurrence of the text will be highlighted. To replace the selected text, we will click replace. Now when we have to do the replace, we will click on the replace. So to replace a word, click on replace, and if you are not interested to replace, click on the find next button so that it moves on the next occurrence of that word without replacing. Now if you want to replace, you can click on replace. If you doesn't want to do, then you can click on the find next button so the next thing can be occurred in the replace that word. Then click OK. We repeat these steps until we have replaced all the desired occurrence of the word. Now we will repeat this thing every now and then when we want from wherever we want to replace that particular word from the original one. To close find and replace dialog box, you click close or click cancel. What you have to do, if it is done, then you will click on close, or you can click on cancel. So the next thing is working with shapes. MS Word has many ready-made shapes like stars, banners, callouts, connectors, etc. They are called as auto shapes. Underline this. You can use them to make your document more meaningful and impressive. To create out shapes, follow these steps. Now if you want to make any shape, what you have to do? Click on the insert tab and the illustration group, click shapes button. First of all, you have to click on insert, then illustration, and then go to the shapes button. Here it is given. Then a gallery with the different shapes categories will appear on the screen like this. Click on the shape in the gallery which you want to add in your document. Now wherever you want, which shape you want, you can click and you can add in your thing. Now click and drag the mouse pointer where the shape is to be inserted. First select the shape and then you will take it from there to the which place you want to drag it. So you will click here with the help of mouse and then you will drag it till here. Then you can also press the left button once the insert shape in the standard size. Now you can use the left button also to insert the shape in the standard size. The inserted shape can be modified using the Format tab that appears after the shape has been added. After that also you can modify it big and small, whatever you want you can do it also. Use the shape styles and shape shadow effects also. You have different kinds of shadows also with the shapes. You can insert text into shapes by simply a right click on the inserted shape and from the pop-up menu select add text. What you can do, you have selected, now you want to add some text, so right click on the inserted shape and from that pop-up menu will come. In that you can add any text whatever you want to write. So that is the thing. The last topic of today is working with smart art. Smart art graphic is a visual representation of your information that you can quickly and easily create choosing from among many different layouts to effectively communicate your message or ideas. The steps to insert smart art are: click the insert tab, choose the smart art icon. Now again here you will go to the insert tab and then you will select the smart art icon. Choose any smart art graphic option from the list displayed. Now come to the next page. The last step is add the text at the required place and also format the same using the design and the format tab that appears as shown on the right. Some smart art graphic options are shown here. Can you see this figure 3.20? Here you can see all the smart art things are given properly in this and you can use it here. So first of all you have working with the shapes, different kinds of shapes are given. If you want to go with the smart art then you can go to this option, and the next option is the word art. You can have the different types of things. We will read it in the next video. Till then, revise these things in your PCs or laptops. Thank you and have a nice day, children.